Do we paint motorcycles? Yeah, guys. Check out this 2007 Yamaha XV. It's a 1700 Warrior, and that right there is House of Kolor two-tone candy colors, gold and a beautiful candy apple red. This bike came to us in a box, and we had some repairs to make, and then our base color, of course, oh my gosh, meticulous masking. And then after we shot the gold, we had to remask like opposite, and then lay the beautiful red candy color. And then after that was all laid and cured, we carefully unmasked, and voila, guys, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? But something was missing, like that break. I don't know, maybe that black little line that I had to meticulously pinstripe on there as an afterthought. Oh my gosh, you guys, talk about nerve-wracking trying to hand pinstripe this motorcycle. But I did it, and I was super excited, and the owner was pretty happy too. Whew, thank goodness. That could have been pretty bad if he wasn't. So we got it all put back together. No, we didn't. The owner did it. We don't put bikes back together, but the owners do. So there you go. After he put it back together, when we were all finished with the pieces, he brought it back in, and we got these amazing shots with it. So we got a little extra permission from him too to take it on a couple little events. One was at Rockin' Race, the other was in the downtown Christmas parade here in Ashland this year. And then Frazees Photo Stash might have used it in a shoot with a beautiful model. Close your eyes, kids. Just kidding. That's beautiful right there, guys. All right, check out more images at www.kandyscustoms.com.